remembering the trip in Minas Gerais in the city of Campo Belo. Welcome to the Trail of Life channel.
Through natural and fantastic trails, we arrived at a large river practically inside the city, where I came across a formidable nature. Further ahead, a waterfall of crystalline waters. The hot sun was the stimulus to a dip in this incredible place. View of the city and the surrounding fields. I contemplated the landscape, which mixed the green tones of the vegetation with the reddish roofs of the houses.